There are several types of companies based on their legal structures and ownership. Here are the most common types of companies. Sole proprietorship. A sole proprietorship is a business owned and operated by a single individual. It is the simplest form of business and offers complete control to the owner. However, the owner is personally liable for the company's debts and obligations. Partnership. A partnership is formed when two or more individuals or entities come together to run a business. Partnerships can be general partnerships, where all partners share equal liability, or limited partnerships, where some partners have limited liability. Limited Liability Company, LLC. An LLC is a flexible business structure that combines the limited liability protection of a corporation with the operational flexibility of a partnership. Owners are called members and are not personally liable for the company's debts. Corporation. A corporation is a separate legal entity owned by shareholders. It provides limited liability protection to its shareholders, meaning their personal assets are generally not at risk. Corporations have a more complex structure, including shareholders, directors, and officers, and must adhere to various legal and regulatory requirements. Cooperative. A cooperative, or co-op, is an organization owned and controlled by the people who use its services. Members share in the profits and decision-making processes. Cooperatives can exist in various industries, such as agriculture, housing, or consumer goods. Non-profit organization. A non-profit organization is formed for a specific purpose other than generating profits for its members. Non-profits serve various causes, such as charitable, educational, or religious. They must adhere to specific regulations and often rely on donations and grants to support their operations. Each type of company has its own advantages, disadvantages, and legal considerations. The choice of company structure depends on factors such as liability protection, tax implications, management preferences, and long-term goals. It is crucial to consult legal and financial professionals when deciding on the most suitable type of company for a specific venture.